Okay, so now let's go to this slow-mo video. We have our classic two-ball stacked ball problem, and this is complex physics. We're going to simplify it. So we have an initial drop here, and we're going to let it play in slow-mo, hopefully. And we're going to pretend that when it's dropped, there is a millimeter of separation between between the golf ball and the basketball. So we're trying to we can easily find the velocity of the golf ball after it gets bounced off of the basketball. But the hard part is finding the velocity of the basketball after it's collided with the golf ball and the floor, because it's not going to be as high as it normally would bounce without a golf ball on top of it. So just for calculation's sake, we are going to use an elastic collision, an elastic collision calculation. What does that look like on paper? Well, on paper, it will look like this. You have the mass of the golf ball at 0.046 kilograms, okay? Mass of the basketball at 0.625 kilograms. This little yellow thing, Greeny, is the tape. We're going to pretend that's tape, okay? It's holding it together, but there is a little bit of separation. When the basketball hits the floor, it will go up. The golf ball will continue pressing into the basketball, so it's going down. So that we're going to count as an elastic collision because they separate, they bounce afterwards. Momentum is always what, class? Conserved. So since momentum is always conserved, and this is an elastic collision, we're going to use the elastic equation to solve the velocity of the basketball as it comes off as it hits the golf ball. Make sense? Kinetic energies are not conserved. After you calculate this, guys, you will find the total kinetic energy before, and then you will find that it is not equal to the kinetic energy after, and that will be in your directions. So you got to find the kinetic energy of this. After you find the velocity, you got to find the KE of the basketball, KE of the golf ball. You got to find kinetic energy of the basketball before, kinetic energy of the golf ball. Does everybody understand that? Okay, do the best you can. Try to help each other. If you get stuck, make your best attempt, and if you know, try to help each other out. Remember to like and subscribe and comment. Please comment. DHS Physics. Huh? Period.